Hey y'all! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Martiniere and I attempt makeup. On today's video, we are going to be going over a couple of new products that I found at Ulta. Well, I don't really know if they're new, but they are new to me. So I wanted to try out these two products together and see how they worked, both individually and work together. And without further ado, let's just go ahead and get this thing started. So the first product that I wanted to tell you about it's by the brand Yes2, and you've probably seen their mask floating around all over the place, but this is actually a two-step lip kit, and it comes with, it's called two-step lip kit Pucker Up. This is Yes to Coconut. It says Yes to Coconut Oil for intense lip hydration and smells like a tropical vacation. Formulated without parabens, SLS, and silicones. So it's basically a moisturizing treatment slash lip plumper. So I wanted to try this first before I get to our next one. You have the first step up here is to apply the scrub that they have, and the second one is to apply the lip mask. The second product that I'm going to talk about today is one that caught my eye when I was in the drugstore makeup section. It's by Maybelline, and it is called the Python Metallic Lip Kit, and this is in the shade Passionate. It's honestly, the packaging is gorgeous. I mean, this is a more basic one. I only got one, and I really wish that I would have gotten more than one, but this is the one that I ended up going with because it's just something simple, something that I can't screw up. You get this adorable little nice compact here. In it, it has a lip balm on this side and then a metallic powder on this side, and you're supposed to put on the balm and then you add the powder on top of that. And then basically, if you know anything about makeup, you know that if you put a powder on top of a cream, that you use the powder to set it. So I'm hoping that this will work. I'm going to zoom y'all in just a little bit closer so you can see everything that I'm doing. Okay guys, so I zoomed y'all in just a little bit, actually a lot of it, but anyway, we're going to get right to the exfoliating part of the two-step lip kit right here. So you just tear it in half. It has a nice little serrated part so you can separate them. And this is the Yes to Coconut Ultra Hydrating Exfoliating Lip Scrub. So I'm just going to apply the scrub in the small packet, which is this one, to dry lips and massage gently to exfoliate. Rinse with warm water or wipe off with a wet washcloth. It says massage before opening, so I guess that's just to mix the product up. So we're going to massage it, and there we go. Alright, now I'm just going to gently massage it over my lips. This is a lot of product. What in the world? Look how much, I just squirted out a little bit. This thing is still full of product. Okay, here goes. Okay, so now I'm going to go rinse this off and I will be right back. Hi, I'm back. I can tell you this is going to make me a little bit angry because I guess I should have done it without my makeup on, because I definitely just took off all the makeup around my mouth. Alright, so now we're going to do step 2. Step 2 is the Yes to Coconut Plumping Lip Mask. It's one paper mask inside this. And we are supposed to apply the lip mask to fit the curves of your lips. Leave on for 15 minutes for plumper, softer lips. So, I can tell you just from the scrub part that my lips are softer. They feel hydrated. I don't feel dry or anything like that. So, I like the scrub, but word of advice, do it before you do your makeup. Don't be an idiot like me. Okay, we're going to put this on, and then we're going to wait for the 15 minutes that it suggests. And this is what it looks like when it comes out. It's this little like dish full of liquid, and on the paper mask is on one side, I guess. Oh, no. Moron. Okay. Here we go. I figured it out. It's got this little tab right here on the edge, and what you do is you kind of have to undo it. Don't know if y'all can see that. I'm trying not to flick this in my eye because God knows what it's going to do. Okay. And then you open it like that. See, it's a little clamshell thing. So now we're going to put this on. It is a thin little paper mask. Alright, we fit it to the curves of our mouth. If you got lips that big, I'm sorry. And there we go. I'll see y'all in 15 minutes. Okay, so I can't hardly talk. Here's a little update for you guys. It's been about 10 minutes and I am feeling a little bit of tingling. Mostly on the inside of my mouth, which is weird. I did want to mention, it's so hard to take me seriously with this. Okay. I do feel like they might be getting plumper. A little bit. I don't know. And this stuff tastes nasty. And it's also making like the tip of my tongue tingle. Oh my god. This looks ridiculous. Oh well. Doing it for the sake of beauty, right? So I am going to wait another 4 minutes and then I'm going to go take, well actually I guess I'll take this off on camera. And then I'll go fix my makeup around my lips because this looks ridiculous now. Like you can see right here where it's like taking off my makeup. Awful. Awful. I'm gonna have to like redo the whole bottom half of my face. Oh well. Like I said, it's for the sake of the video. Do it for the YouTube. I'll be right back. So, I am fixing to take this thing off and let's see if my lips look any plumper. I would say, ooh. First of all, you can't take me seriously because my makeup is kind of come off a little bit, like up in here, obviously, and down here and all around. So, first impressions are they look a little plumper. Yeah, I would say it worked. I mean, overall it worked a little bit, but it's not like, you're not going to get like Kylie Jenner lips, you know? But I think they do look a little bit better, but I need to redo this makeup down here because this looks awful. Really awful. So, there we go. So, now we're going to move right along to the Maybelline Python Metallic Lip Kit. I'm going to go ahead and swatch this. Like I said, this is in the shade Passionate. This is the balm. I can kind of tell. It's a cherry red, I guess you could say. And I'll do a little hand swatch for you so you can see. It is a balm. It feels very balmy. I don't think it's pretty. It almost kind of reminds me of like a stain instead of a balm, but it is really pretty. And then let's go ahead and swatch the metallic topper here. It's really creamy, you can see right there, and it's very metallic. It's pretty. I think this would be a great eyeshadow, to be honest. Okay, so now we're going to swatch that. That's got a lot of pigment. Holy cow. So now that I've swatched those, I think they're going to look good. I think this might actually work. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take one, it's a little Japanesque, it's actually a travel size brush, just a lip brush, and I am going, you know what bothers me about this though? Like if you were to put this in your purse and take it with you to do touch-ups and stuff, there's no mirror. Have we got enough on there? I might have to apply this with my finger. Okay, so, and then I'm just going to put it on. Try not to screw it up. Okay, I'm going to try it like that. Now I'm going to take my finger I would say the finger is the way to go. Okay, let's try to kind of clean this up a little. First impression with just the balm on, the problem I have with it is that it's difficult to apply because it's not like it's a lipstick, or it doesn't have, you know, like a doe foot applicator so that you can put it on. So I guess the main complaint I have with it right now is that it's really hard to get even coverage and it's really patchy looking. So hopefully once we put the powder over it, that'll change a little bit. I have a Japanese brush and it's like a little all over eyeshadow brush, and I thought that this might work really well to put the powder on to kind of fluff it around, you know. So I'm going to go into the powder now, and I'm just going to take it on the tip and a little bit on the side of the brush. I'm just going to try to put it in the center and see what that does, and then if that works out, I'll probably put it all over. So here we go. Wow, you really can't see it. So again, gonna take our finger in there and give that a shot and see if it works any better than a brush. Oh yeah, you can definitely tell a difference. It does have a lot more pigment to it, and it's kind of got a little bit of a duochrome to it. I think it's a pretty color. Do I think that you could get possibly the same look out of just using like a liquid lipstick, or even taking a regular lipstick that has a little bit of a duochrome texture to it, or a metallic texture? Yes, you could. You could definitely get a metallic lipstick or a metallic liquid lipstick and get the same effect that you're getting from this. Maybe it's just because I went kind of on the safe side and got a kind of a basic color that didn't really have a lot of variation between the balm and the balm and the metallic shadow. Why do I keep calling it a shadow? What do you call it? Powder, a metallic powder. But I will say that I'm fairly certain that this is going to wear well throughout the day, because like I said, when you put a powder on top of a cream, it sets it and it keeps it there. I think I like it, but it's a lot of work for just a metallic lip, you know? Maybe it's just me. Anyway, you guys let me know what you think in the comments section below. I would love to hear your thoughts. Tell me if you thought that this was a gimmick or if it was actually pretty good and well worth the money. Oh, I forgot to mention, this was $9.99. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I can't wait to see y'all all in the next video. Y'all have a great day. Bye-bye.